I didn't drop the park.
That's the only thing with these damn shifter and floors.
Why do you think it does that?
You gotta turn the neck a little bit.
That's what you think?
Yeah. I had a Monte Carlo SS.
Yeah, I had one of the same shit.
And even though you put it in park, it's got the neck's got to see. The neck's got to let the key turn.
Key all the way over it.
Yeah.
Once the motherfucker get it together, get right. I had a Monte Carlo back in the day, all black with chameleon flames to the same time.
Shifter on the floor. Yeah. You could do it. You could turn it on in neutral too.
Yeah.
Hey, but the paint's still original too.
You gonna put it? You
Yeah, I got it. Just put a neutral, whatever you want. There you go. Gandala 71 Cutlass with the rocket motor, my boy. Sold. Hey, how far am I from that winch? Yeah, I'm gonna get out the window.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I gotta take the fenders off. I ain't doing all that shit.
Yeah, if it wasn't so low.
Yeah, it's all good. Luckily, I can still do it. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab this. Yeah. I was waiting for one of you guys to call me a fat ass.
That's why I said
Yeah.
it's so low. Once you got out, it'll go up.
Yeah, it's gonna go up.
Just a little bit.
All right, we Gucci. Lock this down. Okay, that's good.
You know, the little knick-knack, but the paint is still good.
Uh-huh. She gone, she gone. Ooh, that was my foot. Two, three. We're gonna do two for now. Two, and then we'll put the other two at the currency. Okay, that's good.
It's in Indiana.
Oh, you fuck with Playboy?
Yeah. When he
Okay.
be, that's why I said, yeah, when he had and shit. This is the Chi-Town show on
Yeah. All right.
That was the last one I went to before I got locked up. I went to that one, and I was trying to make ours. I did take this one.
Yeah.
I took a
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
What I
Keys in there, leave it in there. Get this bad boy secure. Might get it moved up a little bit more just for the weight. I'm pretty sure there aren't any tow hooks. No, we're gonna go lower control arm. No big deal. These wheels have seen better days. So they're probably gonna rim it up. I'm sure they're gonna rim it up. Okay, we got that. We're gonna go in on the winch. We got some tension there. Wow, look at that, disc brakes. Oh yeah, some rust. That's gotta be that Midwest rust. Once that salt gets a hold of you, it's a wrap. Yeah, I could have definitely trained it. It is what it is. Okay, so now we're gonna go one more J hook, and she'll be secure. Got about a 40 mile ride. We don't want no smoke. Loaded. We're really good. We're good to go. All right. So now just contact Eric from here forward, right?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you, brother. All right.
A couple people know that do that.
Yeah, my guy does it Trinidad. Yeah, depende de lo que quieran hacerle, you know. You got some old school Rockford Fosgates back there.
I don't know why they have those tires on there. It's supposed to smoke.
All right. The volada, some spokes on this bad boy. All right, now let me give it a quick 360. This is from the collab between Vans Shoe Company and Mr. 75, not Mr. 75, Mr. Cartoon, right there. Mr. Cartoon and Danny D. Para el pinche YouTube, carnal. This got it's hard to see even in person, but it's got like a ghost. What would you call this? Like a ghost pearl? It's like a ghost pearl. Oh, look at the ghost graphics. So they're coming out right here. I could see it, but in the shade it doesn't show as much. It's like a ghost fucking. That is dope. Okay. All right, I'm gonna leave it here with Kenny at Vegas Auto. If you guys are looking for any work on your old schools, he specializes in them. If you look at his yard alone, he's got a C10, two C10s back there, old school caddy. Looks like a Cadillac right there too. So if you guys are in the market for an old school repair shop, hit up Vegas Auto on 14th and Cicero Avenue in Cicero, Illinois. Okay. ¿Te di la llave, carnal?
No.
It's in the ignition. Okay, there's just information right here, guys. Talk to Kenny, Vegas Automotive, 1414 South 50th, South Cicero Avenue, 708-780-3303. Tell them the rim plug sent you.